Did you know that one humble kitchen spice could help reduce pain, soothe your stomach, boost your immune system, and even support weight loss? Sounds too good to be true, right? But it's not. I'm talking about ginger. Yep, that spicy little root hiding in your kitchen or your sushi takeout. Welcome back to Dr. Sigma et al., where we break down everyday ingredients into science-backed wellness tips for busy people like you. Today, let's uncover why ginger is way more than just a flavor booster. What actually makes ginger so special? Ginger is packed with natural compounds like gingerols and shogalls. These are powerful bioactive substances that give ginger its kick and its health benefits. Let's start with your cells. Our bodies are constantly exposed to things called free radicals, unstable molecules that can damage our cells and speed up aging and disease. Ginger's antioxidants help neutralize those free radicals, keeping your body protected from the inside. But ginger doesn't stop there. One of its most famous perks is its anti-inflammatory power. If you suffer from joint pain, arthritis, or just chronic inflammation, ginger might become your new best friend. It works in a similar way to anti-inflammatory drugs, but naturally and without the side effects. And let's talk digestion. Ginger has been used for centuries to ease stomach issues, whether it's nausea from motion sickness, pregnancy, or just a big meal that didn't sit right. Ginger can help soothe your gut and keep things moving. Now here's something a lot of people don't know. Ginger also has antimicrobial properties. That means it can help your body fight off infections and support your immune system, especially helpful during cold and flu season. And yes, ginger might even help your heart. Some studies suggest that regular consumption can lower bad cholesterol levels and improve blood circulation, which may reduce your risk of cardiovascular problems. Now, if you're on a fitness journey, here's a bonus. Ginger may help with weight management. It's been shown to slightly boost your metabolism and help your body burn more fat. It's not magic, but every little bit helps, right? So how can you get more ginger into your day? It's super easy. Grate some fresh ginger into hot water for a simple tea. Add it to smoothies for a spicy zing. Toss it into stir-fries, soups, or even salad dressings. And if you're really short on time, ginger capsules or powders can be convenient. Just check in with your doctor before starting any supplements. Now you got it. Ginger is more than a spice. It's a powerhouse of health benefits in one small root. From easing pain and digestion to supporting your heart and metabolism, it's one of the simplest ways to naturally upgrade your health. So if you're ready to spice up your wellness routine, start with ginger. Try it out, experiment in the kitchen, and feel the difference for yourself. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to turn on the bell so you never miss out on our next science-backed nutrition tip. Stay tuned for more science-based food content right here on Dr. Sigma et al.